Hi, I'm Emily Gajewski and I teach the Addictions Workshop for the Human Givens College. And I wanted to spend a couple of minutes telling you what to expect if you're thinking about coming on the day. So in the first part of the day, we really look at why we become addicted. Why do human beings become addicted to all the things that we become addicted to? And the emphasis is on really normalizing the process of addiction. So when we understand that addiction is actually a hijack of the natural learning process, and all the things that are out there that pull us in to get addicted to them actually work with the natural learning process, but in that kind of perversion, if you like, of that natural process. So we look at that in more detail, and that really helps destigmatize addiction. So in the Human Givens model, we very much move away from this idea that some of us are addicts, kind of broken people that become addicted to things, and some of us are just, the normal healthy ones. We look at the fact that actually any of us can become addicted to all the various things that we can become addicted to, given enough toxicity in our environment, our external and internal environment. And then we really look at the neuroscience behind addiction. So we look at what goes on in the brain when we're addicted to something. And this is common for all addictions, whether it's picking up your smartphone too often, eating too much chocolate, all the way through to kind of heavy drug use. And this is really helpful information because you can share it with your clients. And when we feel empowered to understand what's going on for us, we're far more likely to be able to move on from our addictions. And then in the afternoon, it's a very practical focus where I teach you techniques drawn from the Human Givens approach, which can really help people when they're ready to come out of addiction, to leave their addictions behind. I've been working in addictions now for over 20 years, and these techniques can work very fast if someone's ready. But also it's about having things in your toolkit to hold people's hands through the addictive cycle, the cycle of change that we all go through when we're making a change. So by the end of the day, I hope that you'll come out feeling you've got much more of an in-depth understanding about addiction, about what goes on in the brain, but also, and I think most importantly, how to help someone, a selection of tools in your toolkit to be able to use tomorrow to help the people you're working with. So I'll look forward to seeing you there if you decide to come. Thank you.